So like I said, I tried to give lessons on this video, but you can see that is an amazing mirror finish. Painted, what do you know, outside. So I told the people before, get yourself an Accu spray gun, change the tip every time, make sure you have a PPS cup, because all that dirt isn't coming from outside, amazingly enough. I went to college for this. I went to Cypress College, so big props out to Cypress College Automotive group. So if you want to learn how to paint like me, please go to Cypress College, located in the city of Cypress, just outside Garden Grove, California. Automotive Tech 1, Automotive Tech 2. And if you want to learn how to paint like me, you definitely need to visit them. And you can paint amazingly. They have the best staff, best people. All my friends went to work for big companies like GM. They design cars for them now. And me, I went the hard route. I went to work for my father, built a business, opened 3 body shops, opened 2 RV shops. And I'm the owner, and anybody that tells you different, that you can't do what I do, it's very simple. It's not that difficult. I mean, of course, you have to be a professional painter, but you really can do it. And I want to tell you just how well you can do it. Just look at my reflection, like a mirror, outside, amazing. You got to watch the other videos to find out how. But basically, it's all in the mix, all about mixing your material. So a good painter has to know how to mix his material. He's got to know what viscosity is. Viscosity is basically the simple way. Is just stick your stick inside the cup, pull it out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the material runs off. You're good. The first batch of clear coat though has to be even faster. Has to be off your stick about at 2 seconds. The reason why is because the atomization becomes really fine, and you want it to be quick and slick, and you want to just throw it on there and give you your first coat, because the second coat is going to follow suit. And the atomization might be bigger, but it's going to be wet and it's going to fill in. And you're going to get a finish that gives you a mirror finish. What do you know? I don't have to buff.